Hello gardeners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm harvesting all of this citron lime from this tree. You can see them, or this plant actually. I've already harvested like 3 or 4 of them already. So now remaining all I'm harvesting, because you can see all the small ones here, right? So if I don't plug the big one, all the energy will be consumed by this one only. So then the small ones won't be growing properly. So I'm harvesting all these big ones. So you can see 3 more are there here. So this is not yet ripened, but it's okay. So in Kannada we call them harlekai, elikai I think. So I think maybe with so many of this, I think we need to do pickle only, I think. You can see this one, this is so small now compared to all these things. If you have any other recipes what you can prepare with this one, do share them in the comment section, because I have like almost like 7 of them now. You can see that, and not just them, you can see here 3 more are ready for the harvest, and leaving this 3, you can see this small one here, 2 more are there here, and then so many more are coming up here. You can see so many flowering has happened already. See here, so many are there still. So that is the reason I'm harvesting all this, so that all these new ones will get enough energy from this plant, because you can see the plant size, it's very small in this container size, so it needs lot of energy for all these new ones to develop properly. So that's the reason I have harvested all this, so that these guys can grow properly, they will get enough of energy. This is really an amazing harvest, So now if you have any suggestions or any recipes, what you prepare with this one, do let me know in the comment section. As of now, I know only we can prepare like rice, just like we prepare in South India chitrana or lemon rice, using for that similarly this one also we can use and prepare that rice, or we can prepare pickle. So leaving those 2 things, is there any other recipes which you can prepare using them? Let me know that one. Okay, hope you like this harvest video, and I'll show you one more video also, like continuation also. Can you see this plant also is giving up very good flowering and fruit development also. You can see this small ones coming up here. Can you see that? These are also doing very good actually. So now this tree also will be giving similar kind of harvest, I am hoping. So let's see that. It's very early to guess it actually, but this one has really done a remarkable job, amazing job actually, huge harvest. So hope you like this harvest video. Do like the video and share the feedback in the comment section. Thank you.